Hi there. Peak Design, the leader in crowdfunding and best-in-class carry solutions, is proud to unveil the first products in their travel line, the Travel Backpack 45 liters and complete system of packing tools. With a focus on versatility, organization, and access, the travel line aims to satisfy a simple design directive: no two trips are the same, so the best luggage should adapt to them all. The hero of the travel line is the Travel Backpack 45 liters, a carry-on sized backpack that boasts a collection of best-in-class travel functionality. In addition to full rear access for easy packing, the bag features dual-side access, top access to laptop/tablet, and a dedicated front access organization panel for smaller items. Beefy shoulder and waist straps stow instantly beneath a magnetically sealed back pad. Expansion zips allow the bag to grow to 45 liters check-in size, while an innovative compression snap system shrinks the bag down to a 35 liters daypack. Thoughtful details include 360-degree grab handles, a duffel/luggage carry handle, theft deterrent zips, hidden passport pockets, a soft-lined sunglasses pocket and tuck-away external carry compression straps. The Travel Backpack comes with a weatherproof 400D nylon canvas shell made from 100% recycled plastics and available in black or sage colorways. Accompanying the Travel Backpack is a feature-rich system of packing tools that provide endlessly customizable organization and protection of clothes, shoes, toiletries, tech items and photo/video gear. Designed to fit perfectly in Peak Design travel bags, each cube or pouch offers easy access, thoughtful organization, durable materials and a consistent aesthetic cleanliness. Each packing tool was designed from the onset as a standalone product, intended to push their respective category forward with unique patterns, features and innovation. Thanks for watching us. Bye.